Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the puzzle page. Yes, I've told you earlier, yesterday, we have no additional for the Sunday. Only the two puzzles left in the puzzle page of the Saturday edition. And we have also not so good news because this newspaper is incompleted. One part is not delivered by the paperboy. In that part, we have the Samwise Sudoku and the medium Sudoku with 3 stars. So, cannot solve those two puzzles. I need to print it out, or I need to go to the library and solve these two puzzles. Alright, but first, these two puzzles, the 2 stars and the binary are left. I will solve these two puzzles. So let's get started. This one will be number 9647. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has a lot, 36 printed digits. Should be at 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 30 minutes. So let's get started. Let me see. 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 1. We have 6 and the 1 in this row. No 6 and the 1 in these 3 boxes. 6 and 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 1, 6 and 1. So what are these 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are the 1. 2 is missing. The 3. The 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. We have 4 and 8 in this column. No 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. So 1 digit left should be the 2. Then, let me see. 2 in this column. 2 in the last column. So the column 3. Only place level 2 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only place level 4 should be there. 2 and the 3. 2 numbers left in the last row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this big square, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 9. 2 missing numbers in this third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column 3. Only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Okay, and now. How about the 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so last column, no, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the third row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so the first row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 4. Okay, and now 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 6 in this column, last column, 6 in the column next, on that column. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 and a 1. We have 6 now in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Can I count? No. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so in the row between. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the sixes are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for the number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place level 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place level 1 should be there. Oh, we already have a 1 here. Not good. Not good. Yeah. Made a mistake. This is also a mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It should be an 8 here. This should be an 8. And so 1 number left in this row. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between. Middle column, the only place level 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only place level 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. On that column, the only place level 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 7. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place level 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. And 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left, the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. 7 minutes. Wow. That's a quick one. Of course, I've told you, should be at 0 stars with 36 printed digits. Alright. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for this Sunday binary puzzle. And I cannot promise you the other 2 puzzles because or I need to print it out, or I need to go to the library. Maybe they have that part of the puzzles. Anyway, so for this weekend we have another lot of puzzles. Thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the 3 stars binary. Until then, bye bye for now.